backstage at the Bijou, getting ready to hoochie-coo. A guy walked in with a violin, blushing like a baby with a schoolboy grin. He said,
"Pardon me, ma'am, I don't know where I am. Isn't the opera here tonight?"
I said, "Oh, you are hilarious. Here's that a G-string on your Stradivarius." I said, "You're backstage at the Bijou, and later I'll be doing the hoochie-coo. But if you want to play, why, that's okay." He said,
"Oh my goodness, I think I have the wrong day."
And then he started to leave, and I grabbed his sleeve. I said, "I like long hair too, so if you feel my fattle, I ain't gonna tattle on you." Here we go. I'll keep singing them small town blues, and I'll keep dancing them hoochie-coos. I know I got something, I ain't got nothing to lose. Oh, how I long for city lights. Oh, they sparkle and they shine so bright. As soon as I'm there, boys, everything will be alright.
Do you know opera?
Well, I once did the hoochie-coochie to Pagliucci.
Well, what's your range?
Anywhere from 16 to 35.
How's your vibrato?
Oh, it's fine. I'm shaking all over.
Do you perform trills?
That's what all the guys tell me.
Do you enjoy recitative?
Honey, I've never been the one that needed the resuscitating.
Is your style contrapuntal?
Ooh, I prefer it straight and frontal.
Do you like afternoon with a fawn?
Oh, I much prefer midnight with a stag.
Do you know Aida?
Lucky girl.